Hi guys, all of you good morning. Welcome to my channel. All of you welcome to Success ASV. Hi friends, today mains optional syllabus. Management paper 1. Managerial function and process. Concept and foundation of management, evaluation of management, that is managerial functions, planning, organizing, controlling, designing, making, management of innovation. Managing in a global environment, flexible systems management, social responsibility and managerial ethics, process and customer orientation, managerial process on direct and indirect value chain, organizational behavior and design, concept and model of. Next one, financial management, goals of finance function, concept of value and return, valuation of bonds and shares, management of working capital, estimation and financing, management of cash, receivables, inventory and current liabilities, cost of capital, capital budgeting, financial and operating leverage, design of capital structure, jobs and practice, shareholder value structure, theories and practice, creation, dividend policy, corporation financial policy and strategy, management of corporate districts and restoration strategy, capital and money marketing, institution and implementation, earning their purchase. Next one, paper 2 optional, management paper 2, quantitative techniques in design making, descriptive status, tabulator, graphical and numerical methods, introduction to probability, discrete and continuous probability distribution, impersonal status sampling, distributed central limit theorem, hypothesis testing for dissonance between means and proportion, infant Stanford population variances, Chesko and Hanova simple correlation and correlation time series and forecasting, designing theory index, number linear programming, problem formation, simplex method and graphical solution, sensitivity analysis. Next one, management information system, conceptual foundation of information systems, information theory, information resource management, type of information systems, systems development, overview of system and system design, system development, management life cycle, designing for online and distributed environments, implementation and control of project, transient information technology, managing data resources, organizing data, DSS and RDBMS, enterprise resource planning, expert. Next one, trajectory management, business policy as a field of study, nature and scope of strategic Strategic management, strategic intent, vision, objectives and policies, process of strategic planning and implementation, environmental analysis and internal analysis, SWOT analysis, tools and techniques for strategic analysis, impact metric, the expense curve, BCG metric, GEC mode, interest analysis, concept of value chain, strategic profile of a file. Next one, international business. International business environment chaining, composition of trade in goods and service, Indian foreign trade policy and trends, financing of international trade, religion economy, cooperation, FTAs, industrialization of serving, internal production, operation management in international companies, international taxation, global competition and technical development, global e-business, designing global organizational structure and control, multicultural management, global business strategy, global marketing strategy, export management, export input process, joint ventures, foreign institution, foreign development and foreign parallel investment. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.